Your parking lot is a significant investment, and it's under constant attack. What if every dollar you spend on maintenance today could save you $7 tomorrow? This is the difference between a $300 fix and a catastrophic $5,000 repaving project. The math is clear. Delaying asphalt repairs isn't saving money. It's multiplying future costs. We'll show you the two paths you can take, expose the hidden enemy, and cut your long-term costs in half. So what are the choices? It's proactive care versus reactive repair. One is strategy, the other is emergency. Proactive care starts small with crack filling. This costs between 35 cents and $1 per linear foot. Next is resurfacing, an asphalt overlay applied when the surface shows wear. This step can add years to your pavement's life without the cost of full reconstruction. This whole preventative strategy can cost just a few cents per square foot annually. It's a tiny part of any property budget. Now, the reactive path. Those tiny cracks you could have filled early, they're now potholes costing $100 to $400 each. If the damage spreads, you're not patching anymore. You're looking at full-depth repairs at $4 to $10 per square foot. How does a tiny crack become a budget-destroying catastrophe? The culprit is an enemy you see every day: water. It begins when water seeps into an unfilled crack. This water bypasses the surface and attacks the vulnerable foundation beneath. In cold climates, this water freezes, expanding like a wedge. It widens the crack from below, repeating a destructive freeze-thaw cycle. This pressure erodes the subbase, creating a void. The unsupported asphalt above collapses under traffic. A crack is now a pothole. Simultaneously, the sun is attacking. UV rays make the asphalt brittle and more prone to cracking, which is why timely resurfacing and crack filling are essential. You see, you are not just fixing a crack, you are cutting off water's access to the foundation, stopping this chain reaction at the source. Let's make this real. Imagine a standard 1,000 square foot parking lot. The owner has two choices. Path A, proactive. The owner spends about $1,500 on crack filling. This single action extends the lot's life by 3 to 5 years. Path B, reactive. The owner saves that $1,500. Over those same 3 to 5 years, water causes damage, potholes and cracks spread. The bill is no longer $1,500. It's now for resurfacing, costing $1,000 to $3,000. That saved money multiplied the cost by 10x. Remember the hidden enemy, water? This is its endgame. The proactive owner bought a lock. The reactive owner is rebuilding the house. Fixing cracks is defense. But how do you maximize the life of your entire investment? This is where we go on offense. Resurfacing is the key at this stage. A properly timed overlay protects against further UV deterioration and shields the base from chemical spills like oil and gas. This isn't cosmetic. Regular resurfacing and crack filling can meaningfully extend pavement life, delaying the need for full replacement by years. A maintained lot isn't just longer lasting, it's more reliable. A proactive plan can cut unexpected emergency repairs by up to 70%. Think of it as a system. Inspections find issues, crack filling stops water infiltration, and resurfacing protects the pavement before deeper damage sets in. Spending $1 to save $7. Now you see how. That dollar goes into crack filling and timely repairs, stopping water damage before it reaches the foundation. That $300 versus $5,000 example, it's not an exaggeration. It's the cost of a contained problem versus systemic foundation failure. When you apply this proactive strategy over the life of your property, the results are staggering. It can reduce total costs by more than half. Put another way, you can realize savings up to 75% compared to neglect and replacement. It's one of the best returns on your property. So here are the two paths. Path A, small, predictable costs for a long lifespan. Path B, years of saving, then a massive, shocking bill. This choice affects more than your wallet. It impacts property value, curb appeal, and even safety and liability. The question isn't, how much does asphalt maintenance cost? The real question is, how much will it cost you if you don't? Protect your investment. Don't wait for damage to appear. Start with a simple inspection and a proactive maintenance plan today.